Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you step-by-step how to create a Pictory AI account. So let's start. Open your browser and type Pictory AI in the search box. A new page will open where you will scroll down to the name Pictory, Easy Video Creation for Content Marketers, and click on it. Then on the next page, in the upper right corner of your monitor, click on the free trial option. By clicking on the free trial option, the next page will open where you will be asked for basic information so that you can create an account, and those are first name, last name, your email, and finally your password. When you fill in all that, you will click on Continue. But if you already have a registered account on Google, then just click on Continue with Google and it will be created automatically. In this case, I will choose via Google. After creating an account, before entering the Pictory page, you will be asked the question, why do you want to use Pictory? And of course, several answers. All that remains is to choose from the offered answers. What will you use Pictory for? Again, in my case, I will choose the first comment, that monetize on YouTube. And that is that. Now you can start using Pictory AI to create amazing visual content using artificial intelligence. If you liked the video, please like us and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching.